Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Modernism Official. Today video is on about England Winter Haul. Winter in England brings a delightful array of experiences. The charm of cozy pub gatherings where locals share stories over streaming mugs of a mulled wine add a warm touch to the chilly season. The streets adorned with the festive lights creates a magical atmosphere, inviting visitors to explore traditional Christmas markets. Here, handmade crafts, festive streets, and a local delicacies fill the stalls, making it a perfect destination for the winter shopping spur. The countryside transforms into the scenery winter wonderland with the worst kissed landscapes and the picture sequences scenes exploring historical landmarks such as medieval castles and charming villages takes a special allure during this season. For those seeking adventure, winter sports in the scenic hills providing an rush amidst breathtaking views. Traditional winter comforts fold like a hot stews, roasted dinners, and warm pudding taking center stage, providing a taste of a culinary indulgence as snow falls gently fall, leaving the blanket of the white. England winter is not just a season; it's a captivating experience that weaves together history, traditional, and the joy of the festive spirit. Winterland in the Christmas markets are a part of the Winter Haul pop of craft the countries. These markets are a textures, festive crafts, decorations, or local treats from hand-knit scarves to create ornaments. Each stall tells a story of craftsmanship and traditional. The aroma of mulled wine and roasted just nuts wafts and trust air, inviting passerby to include the warmth of the seasonal delight. In essence, England winter is not merely a season, it's a curated experience that blends festive joy, cultural richness, and breathtaking beauty of the landscape. Allah Hafiz.